Today we have little Dottie, and Emma has agreed to let me try and train her put a cookie on her nose. So she knows the chin. She knows the chin trick, but she doesn't know how to have a cookie put on her nose. And so we'll see how far we get. Yes. 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 So I've taken her nose. I'm going to put it on top. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Good job. Yeah, that was clever. Okay. Good girl. Super. All right. I moved the camera a little closer, so hopefully you guys can see this a little bit better. Here, you come right. Let's see, right. Come on, right there. All right. So she already knows a chin trick. That's her chin trick. And Emma's actually taught her to come up and get into the chin trick. So, oh, you can't see that there. So she knows that already. That is well established. So now I'm just going to add on the cookie. Can you see it? There it is. All right. So she puts her hand in. I'm going to go ahead and hold it. Okay. Good girl. So I'm trying to release with my cookie hand, but not with my chin hand just yet. Okay. Good girl. And she's pulling out of my hand just slightly. Let's see if I can help her not do that. Chin. Good. Chin. Good. Okay. Okay. Yay! Good girl. Good girl. She's not 100% thrilled with this trick. So I don't want to ruin Emma's chin. So we'll see how she goes. I also need to remember that she's not a big dog, and so my thumb keeps kind of going near her eyeball. So I need to keep my thumb tucked in to prevent. Good. Okay. Good girl. Behind you, behind you. There you go. Good girl. Good. So I'm going to try and put two on at once, because when she is releasing, she doesn't understand to flick her nose up yet or to drop her nose down, and so she's backing up to try and get them off, which isn't going to work if she keeps her nose level. And so I'm going to put two on in the hopes that one falls off and she sees it a little bit faster. It's not to add two as a balancing trick, but it's to add two because I want her to get rewarded a little bit more quickly when she does correct. Chin. And I'm also going to reward her for going into a chin because she's having a hard time. She's starting to slide backwards on that, even just with what have we done, 8 repetitions. Chin. Yes. Yes. So now I'm going to go for the cookie on the nose. Get 2 ready. Yes. She thinks I put them up there already. Yes. Hold. Hold. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Did you get the other one? It's right there. Good girl. Yes. Good. Hold. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. All right. I think one flew into her back. Come here. Yep. Right into her neck. So that's why I'm doing multiple cookies, because they're easily lost on her right now. So I want her to get rewarded. She saw the one that went under the chair, but she didn't get the one in her fur. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. Okay. Good girl. That was super. Look, there's a couple more. Good girl. Super. Yes. Good. Good. Okay. Good girl. Get that one? Over here. Good. Good. Okay. Good girl. Super. Right there. Good. So she's trying to get them off her nose by backing up, and that's not working out too well. So we'll see if she changes her strategy or if she just learns to adapt to it. Good. You have to wait. Good. Good. Okay. Yes. Oh, there she chomped for it. Good girl. Now, if she happens to catch one, she will surprise herself and hopefully try and repeat it. Hold on, wait. Good. Okay. Good girl. Now she's starting to throw them. Super. You got them all. Good. Yes. Okay. So she pulled away a little bit sooner than I wanted her to, so I went ahead and released her because I didn't want to grab her nose. Yes, good. Good. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. All right, we'll do one more. You've done well for her very first try. Good. Good. Okay. Yay! Good girl behind you. Good girl. Super. All right, that's it, Dots. Thanks for being a little trick dog. Oh, good girl. Oh, you're so clever.